everybody, it's Melissa from 70 Acres Studio. I have some unboxing of some China mail to go through. They are all diamond paintings. Some of them are gifts to be given as kits. But let's get started. I don't know what we have here. I don't know if I have all the boxes I need, but we'll switch to the overhead and we'll see, check it out. Okay, this one is so large that it has a spider on it, and we don't need the spider. This one is so large it does not even fit in the camera frame, and that's after finding something to raise the camera on. So let's see what we've got. These two I know are gifts. I don't remember who I bought them from. I can go check. I can look at my AliExpress records and I can let you all know. This big one is my Smoky Mountain landscape, and there should also be a floral in here that is a kit for somebody for Christmas. And these two are from okay, yeah, these are the big huge box is from Huacan Official Store. This smaller bag is from Drill Shiny 007 store. And then we have this one here, which should be from Yogotop Official Store, and this is a Buddha. And I'm looking forward to doing that. So let's get to opening. I'll open the kits first because they're the smaller of the three. And we will see what we've got in here and avoid damage. And here. Oh, okay, now I know what people are talking about with the stinky stuff. Yeah. Okay. We have two kits with a single drill pen, and we have a multi-placer. It looks like it might be a 6. So that's nice. That's the first multi-placer I've gotten, although these are gifts, so. And they come with a bunch of Ziplocs and a boat with a funnel, which is nice. A large chunk of wax, and then some of these cheapo tweezers. Okay, and I guess we'll open the canvases first. They are on foam core. There's 2 wrapped around, and I'm hoping that they don't have issues once they're unwrapped. And the tape is nice. It's paper tape, like medical grade paper tape or masking tape. It comes off nicely, so that's good. Okay. And I'm going to try a trick that somebody else has done, where you go off the edge of the table. And I already see a problem. Look at that. Look at that. Just saw a ripple just start. Yeah, just flatten it out there, and it has a bit of a meltdown. This canvas better be good. I will have a major hissy fit if this canvas is no good. Alright. It's like impossible to unroll it. There should be 2 of them. Yep, there are. There's 2 of them in here. And dagnabbit. This better just be the paper, the release paper, and not the canvas bubbling. These are supposed to be gifts. Yeah. say now. And it's one sheet rather than multiples, so that's annoying. It's difficult to, yeah, difficult to pull it back. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Oh, I do like that. Oh, yeah, that's going to be so pretty. I hope the girls like these. Now, what is that? That's malarkey that shouldn't be there. Yeah, that's not a symbol. I don't know what the heck that is. These are rounds. And I see some wrinkles, but no bubbles per se. So let's see if we can't get that to lie flat now. Okay, now we'll flip it over and do the same on this side. Oh, and it ripped again. I'll tell you. There we go. That is going to be pretty. Okay, let's see which one this is. Alrighty, so here is a picture. I'll zoom in a wee bit. Hopefully you can see it better. That's the picture. It is 30 by 30, although I think that that's the whole canvas and not, yeah, that's, oh wait a minute, maybe truth in advertising here, people. Could it be? Is this going to really be? Hang on, let me get this camera out of the way. I don't need it anymore. There we go. Let's see, guys. Look at that. Truth in advertising. Well, it's 29.5. 29.5 by 29.5. So pretty close. It has 38 colors, and they do give you the DMC numbers, which are very nice. And the symbols are crystal clear and not stretched, like the Disaster from Sophie Beauty that I just finished. Just did the finishing up video of that one. What a mess that was. So yeah, this looks really nice and easy to read. And I see a 1 and a T, and I see a music note, and those, and the 7. Those could be considered conflicting if your canvas is blurry, and this is not. This is pretty nice and clear. I'll drill in and show you here. Oops. They are pretty clear. It's upside, no it's not. It's not upside down. It looks like it's going to be pretty easy for the girls to follow this. So I think I've heard that Drill Shiny is a good vendor. But looks like they made check marks here, so they checked everything off. So I'm not going to waste time doing that on camera now. I will just put the inventory sheet back, and we will open up the other one. And look at this one. Again, easy to remove paper tape. Real easy to remove. Very good. And I'll have to take one of my other foam cores if I can find them. Let's see if I can't get another one. Alright, so some folks recommend, man, that's really tightly wrapped, rolling it this way. Wow, that's tight. Oi, 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 oi. Alright. There we go. Alright. Now this may be an issue here. There is no sticky here. I'm hoping that doesn't mean that they have a problem with the glue. Yeah, the glue is, yeah. The glue barely hits the edge. It goes over about a centimeter here and a centimeter here, but it's barely hitting this edge. Alright, let's try and, you know, there's a million different ways to unroll these things. Let's see. Without tearing the stupid release paper. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Wow. And this is another round. Nice clean ledgers. Only issue I see is that there's barely glue on here. Barely. Let's see, let me lay this back down. And we'll do the other side. Yeah, that's not good. Let's fix that. Oh, come on. There we go. Huge wrinkle in it. There we go. Alright, I see wrinkles in the double-sided tape, but I don't see bubbles. So I'm hoping that those will settle back down. Okay. go through the bag here. And here is the inventory sheet again. And this is the Rainbow Rosebud. I'll show you that. And it has 39 colors. And again, these symbols are beautiful. They are crystal clear. They're vivid. You can definitely tell the difference between them. Wow, what an improvement. And these are rounds again, and they are gifts for the kids. But this field is nice and clear. It's pretty easy to tell the difference. I mean, you've got a check mark, a T, a number 1, a music note, but they're all different enough. They're all different enough, and I think you can clearly see all of them. And let's see. Everything is checked off, so I'm going to hold them to that. And I don't recall hearing anything negative about Drill Shiny, so hopefully the kits will be good. They won't be missing diamonds. I think it is getting ready to rain. I may have to run out, bring the dog in. Okay, but now I'm going to try and roll this one in this direction loosely. And I can reuse these tapes to wrap them with. Or maybe not. Maybe it's a one-shot deal. Let's see. Not really sticking that well, but that's okay. Let's see if we can't unravel this piece. The girls love arts and crafts. Actually, the boys do too, but I did not get the boys any of these. I thought that they might not appreciate, you know, something glittery. I'm thinking about getting them pocket knives. Alright, so there are those. And again, those two are from Drill Shiny, and they're both the same size, 30 by 30 and 30 by 30. Yep, they're both the same size. So I will put these aside, and then we can get to the next box.